So hello, I have here a Boley F1 watchmaker lathe taking 8mm collets, and I'm going to show the condition and the accessories. It comes with a wooden box with the accessories included. It have two tailstocks, the cross slide, and yeah, let's run it. So you can run this spindle here, that's the main spindle, but you can also run the short spindle with a rubber wheel here, and I will show you how that works. So yeah, this is the most silent motor I know. It's really silent. And so now this rubber wheel here is rotating, and you can, by pressing this, and so the advantage is you can also break it, so it stops also immediately. Okay, let's zoom in here. So there's a small gear installed between the centers. Yeah, this can be useful when the braking function is important. All right, so this is this spindle. Let's see if I can show the other spindle as well. Then we take another rubber. And then it would be good to take this off. And also this accessory. So now the main spindle here is rotating. Yeah, I'm every time surprised about the sound, so you can keep it running and do your work. And here behind here is a switch. You can also put that one, and then it rotates in the other direction. I would wait till it is completely stopped. There you go. Yeah, let me show the cross slide. So here on the side it's possible to unlock it and lock it. So this cross slide here is in an almost new condition. With these two small screws there, it's possible to take out the play if there's any axial play in the spindle nut combination. Yeah, it comes with a flip over handrest. Possible to put here, and a double file roller for the same accessory, so this one can go in there. There's a faceplate here with the center. Yeah, let's go to the box. to show more details. There's a collet set here, all kinds of small tools. This is for the second tailstock. This one. Yeah, thank you for watching.